As the world becomes more digitally demanding, Mandarin is working with you, our customer, to provide more efficient solutions with tools that help you curate and organize your digital information. Mandarin CMS, our new content management system, is the latest enhancement to our cloud services, expanding your library's online presence. What I'd like to show you now is Mandarin's latest product, Mandarin CMS. This is a content management system, a way for you as a librarian to organize and manage all the information and resources you want to make available for your patrons. In essence, it is your web page, your web presence, and you, the librarian, have control over the content. Mandarin CMS is integrated with the rest of your library system. Here at the top, you see the links for the different ways of searching your catalog, just as in your OPAC. Typing a word or phrase into the standard search box takes you immediately to a search results page in your OPAC. You can also log in as a librarian here to access cataloging, circulation, and the other administrative parts of your library system. Here in front are a number of ways to bring other kinds of information to your patrons. We are creating a number of library applications, LibApps we're calling them, which you can use to publish content. Here is a sampling of the LibApps. In the center, you see scrolling book covers representing items in your collection. What's hot can show you what is circulating most in your library. Suggested readings can include what the librarian recommends, or recent bestsellers or winners. Of course, clicking on any of the cover pictures opens up that record in the OPAC, so the patron can see more information, find the call number, place a reserve, etc. You could also ask someone else to populate this display, perhaps each month having a different teacher or a community member recommending his or her favorites. Over here on the left is an app that lets you list events and programs. Each event is a link that can open another window with additional information. The list can include combined calendars, so various departments, clubs, or community groups could create their own lists and have them integrated into the One Events List calendar. Here on the right is a gallery display of graphics. These could be from a community or student art project, or photographs from a recent event or program. I hope you're beginning to see the many ways that Mandarin CMS can be useful for your patrons. Down here in the lower left is another example of an app that can be used in any number of ways. We've called it Newsstand, and here you see examples of the kinds of resources that could be linked here, including blogs which can be run right from the CMS application. Consider other ways that you can use lists of links, databases, other libraries, departments, sports teams, clubs, community organizations, etc. Whatever resources you want to make easily accessible. On the right down here is an app for displaying RSS feeds, and you can decide what feeds to subscribe to. Perhaps you have a community blog, or you'd like to highlight the postings of a great reading blog. The feeds you choose can be combined in this display. In the center here, you see the streaming video app, which can be used to stream live video from an event as it happens, or to offer recorded videos. Students could record their own book talks or create book trailers, sports events, or library programs could be shown live or recorded. These are just some of the apps we've developed and are developing, but I'm sure you can see the potential for flexibility even in just these 6. One of the most exciting features CMS offers is Easy Edit. Here's an example of how simple adding and deleting information can be. There are now 2 paths for the librarian to edit the information on the CMS page. You see the 2 different links down here on the lower left. The full admin access link brings up the background windows where the librarian can not only edit the information, but also set parameters for display, choose layout features, and other maintenance tasks. The Easy Edit access link allows simple changes to be quickly made to the information. When I click on this link, I have a login window. I can then tell that once I've logged in, I'm in Easy Edit mode because of the little EE link in the upper right corner of each Lib app. When I want to add an event to the event calendar, for example, Clicking on the EE link shows me the input window with space for the title of the event and a calendar for choosing the date. And below that, the time for this event. I click Done and Save, and the new event is listed. In the What's New app, Easy Edit gives me access to the suggested readings items. I only need to put in a valid ISBN and a title if I'd like. Click Save, and this item becomes part of the cover stream. The other lib apps work the same way. Clicking on the EE link for each allows easy editing of the content, like dropping in a new picture to the gallery, choosing the RSS feed or video to display, or adding or modifying the list of links in the newsstand lists. It truly is easy to edit your CMS page. You can choose which apps are displayed, how they're laid out, and what content is published. You, the librarian, have control over your web presence, putting you and your library where you belong, in the information center of your school, community, or institution. If you're interested in more information about Mandarin CMS, please contact us by visiting our website, www.mandarincms.com, or by email or phone.